and welcome to Sarah Soul 5 Travel the World. If you're new to our channel, my name is Sarah.
And my name is Ramil.
And today we're going to show you our room at the Hennan Garden Resort. And we have a special guest. Say hi, Rizal, and my sister. So, come on, let's take a look. Okay, should we start from the floor? Okay. So in here we have a huge bathroom and we have a beautiful tub, and it even comes with its own like shower head for this one. Let me show you how to close the blinds. Well, you guys know how to close blinds obviously, but let me just show you.
Get up when you're in here for privacy.
That.
Wait, does it go lower than this?
Yeah, it does, but I don't know it. Okay, and you can do it this side too.
Great.
Yeah, I'll just show you.
Open it.
Oh, open it? Okay.
So we see the outside. So cool.
Okay. Moving on. So here you have this humongous shower head.
Rain shower.
You can see how big it is compared to that. And another one here, so they really went off with their shower heads. Now here you have your big sink. You have your big sink here, 2 cups, 2 face towels, and it also provided some wonderful little add-ons. So lotion, conditioner, bath foam, shampoo, cotton bud, shower cap, shaving kit, and dental kit. Let's smell this. That's good. Smells fancy. Okay, and of course hand soap. Then of course, most important, toilet,
with a
tissue.
bidet.
Oh, and a really fancy bidet. So great. Anything here? Nothing. Okay.
Let's move on to the room.
Here, which is I find really important, is you get a lot of space to put your luggage.
Put your shoes on there.
And then your shoes and everything. And then here you have additional room to put like anything you want. And more storage space here.
An umbrella too.
Yeah, these are super important to dry your like wet clothes and whatever, or de-wrinkle your clothes. And umbrellas.
Laundry bag.
Up top here you have your safety deposit box. The instructions are here in English. I think that's Japanese and Korean maybe. Yeah, so you have it there. Then you have the air conditioning settings here.
Which is
Got
up
a nice
there.
remote in English too, so it's easy to understand. And then here you have the, what's this? A junior size bed or single bed.
And this is the
You have the what's it called? The side table.
with the Bible under.
Very important. And Ramil will continue the second half of the tour. Okay.
Now we have the queen bed.
The queen bed. Yep.
And then what do we have here? We have the TV. We didn't turn it on yet. I think there's a gun.
Yeah, let's get a closer look.
The hot water dispenser, the pitcher for the water. It comes with coffee, tea,
Creamer.
and sugar. What's inside the fridge?
Nothing.
But we should probably turn it on.
Make sure to turn on your fridges, y'all. Oh, there's a ice tray there, so you can do that.
Right. And then we have our working table. I think that's Henry Chusoy,
Let's get a.
the owner of all the Hennan.
Thank you, Henry. Very nice design.
And now we have this sofa
The sala area.
Yeah. The most important part is the outdoor part.
Very nice.
We have this where we can eat while we get some air, fresh air. We can come over. Look over the view. There's our pool. There's our view. We are on the 5th floor, and there's Sarah.
It's nice and cool up here.
They have 2 pools, which is crazy. Very cool. Alright, that's that.
Also just want to show you, you can also get the rooms on like the 1st floor, and you get the walkout pools, so you can get the pool right from your room. Pool access, sorry, that's what I wanted to say. Plus you get some really comfy what do you call those? you know, lounge chairs. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Oh, there's like massage huts over there. Those huts over there, yeah.
We didn't really explore it yet, so we're exploring it.
Yep.
And then you have this to dry your wet clothes.
Very important.
Really good.
Alright. So that was just our room. We'll do another part where we show you more of the hotel. But that's everything for now. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have any questions.
Share it
Bye.
with your friends.
Yeah. Bye.